Hey guys, this is UBR Tech back with another video. Today's video is going to be how to install the Casey Lynch deep carry clip for your Para 3. What you're going to need to accomplish this, so you're going to need a T6 in order to take off the stock clip, and then Casey provides the tool that you'll need to screw on the screws that it comes with. Before I get started, I'd like to ask everybody to please subscribe. Every subscriber helps. Now let's get back to the video. Use the T6 and we're going to take off the screws for the stock clip. So now what I would do is I would take the stock clip and the screws that you just removed, and I would put them in to the little bag that Casey provides. So let's take out the new clip and let's put the stock one in there along with the screws. And there you go. Close this up. And that way we can store these and know exactly where it's at all times. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the stock deep carry pocket clip and we're going to install it onto the Para 3, which I think that color looks really nice with the colorway of this knife. So let's get started. So the process to install this clip is a little different than you'd think it would be, but not difficult at all. So the top screw, you can see I put one into one of the 3 circles here, and it's on the top one right here. And so you leave it like that, and instead of installing it this way, you're going to install the clip like this. Now again, it's just going to be for that top one. Once we get it started and it's snug in that hole, then we can turn it around, and I'll show you how it's done. So we're going to turn this, and not until it's really tight, just until it's snug the way it is now, because you still want to be able to move the clip. So now we're going to swing this around, and what you're going to do is you're going to push up lightly. You don't want to bend it, so you want to push up lightly just so it doesn't mar the G10. And we're going to spin that around until the other holes match up. So now you can see the other 2 holes are matching up. See, because you can see right through it. You can see my finger through both holes. So you just want to line this up until you can see both holes underneath. And then what you're going to do is take the screws and then stick it on the edge like that, and then just feed it in. So you're going to take the screws, put it in each one of these holes, and you're going to get them snug. You're not going to make them really tight yet. So let's do the next one, and let's do the last hole right here. So now that all 3 of them are in, you can go back around and just turn them until they're tight. Go to the next one, turn until it's tight. Next one. Alright, and so after you have everything tightened up, it feels nice and tight, and there you go. It's installed. So now this will be a nice deep carry pocket clip for your Para 3. It looks really nice with that color. I love the way it looks. Feels nice and sturdy. It's great. Hey guys, I'm back, and I've carried this knife with the clip on it for about a week, and I feel confident enough to give you my review. Just to step back a little bit, one of the reasons why I purchased this clip was because of its looks, because again, I wanted to get something that kind of matched more of the color scheme of this knife. So again, I feel like it does match pretty well because the stock clip was black. So the other reason why I got this this clip is because with the stock clip, this is how much is sticking out of your pocket, and with the deep carry clip, that is how much is sticking out of your pocket. So it kind of helps it tuck down a little bit further, and for me, I notice it less in my pocket. This little swoop here, how this piece comes up so you can get it into your pocket, I feel like it's the perfect amount of lift right here, because it's easy to get in the pocket, but also it's not too high where it's going to create a hot spot. And speaking of hot spots, so when you're gripping the knife with the new clip, it doesn't really create any hot spots. I mean, you know it's there because you can feel it in your palm, but it doesn't feel like there's really any hot spots at all. It feels like it's just disappears in your hand. So that's another plus. And then also I would say the construction, it being made out of titanium, is a big plus. It feels sturdy. It's not going to bend easily. I have nothing but good things to say about it. And honestly, I couldn't really think of any negatives. So with that being said, I would definitely say that this is a must buy. If you have a Para 3, I would definitely get this clip for your Para 3, because I feel like it makes the knife even better than it already was. So something else I found out after the fact of me buying this clip, right here it says guaranteed for life. I am a huge fan of that kind of warranty. I'm sure most people are. Again, it just makes you feel like you got a peace of mind knowing that if anything was to happen to the clip, he would try to make it right. So huge plus for that as well. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below. If you thought the video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Every subscriber helps. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.